Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to listen to lung sounds. We're going to listen to each lobe of the lung, both sides, front and on the back, and then we're going to do some percussion testing to check for any fluids or see if there's any lung injury that we need to be aware of. Alright, so we're going to start off, we're going to go right above the collarbone, right up here to listen to the top lobe of the right lung. So I'm going to take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good. One more time. Good. Check the other side just to make sure that they're equal. Go ahead, breathe in. And breathe out. Good. And then we're going to feel in between the intercostal space, in between the ribs. How you breathe in. Breathe out. Good. And we'll go over to the other side. Breathe in. Good. Drop it a little bit lower. Breathe in. Good. Switch to the other side. Breathe in. Good. And then. Here, just turn back around and sit up a little bit more in the front. And then we're going to go lower lungs. So that's in the mid-axillary. So breathe in. Good. And we'll check the other side. Breathe in. Good. And we'll check the back. Same thing. We're going to start high up here to check the first, check the top of the lobe. Go ahead, breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Breathe in. Out. Good. And as we come down, we want to elevate in between the ribs just so that we can get a good lung sound. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now we're going to check the lower lobes. Breathe in. Good. Good. And then now we're going to do some percussion testing. So we're going to put the stethoscope on the lower lobe and then tap on the chest wall and listen for any slashing, crackling, or we're listening for like a hollow sound to make sure that there's nothing in there. Which is good on that side. Same thing over here. It's good.